So welcome to lesson 20 of our terminal report generation system with Word, Excel, and Outlook. So in our previous lesson, we were able to complete the terminal report and the cumulative record where we linked the respective fields from our workbook to the respective rows and columns and on the terminal report design. And we forgot to provide fields for gender, class teacher's remarks, head teacher's remarks, term, and attendance for the terminal reports. So kindly open your Excel. I've already done it. So what I need from you is to create gender CTR, which is a class teacher's remark, head teacher's remark, the term ATT, which is the current attendance for the student, then TATT. So what you need to do is if you want to be fast about it and replicate it, you just hold on the control and select all the terms, okay? So once you do this, you just come in here, you type gender, CTR, HTR, term, ATT, then TATT. So once you do that, automatically it will appear on all the sheets. Then what you need to do is to select everything in its entirety, then apply all borders. So that is the first thing you need to do. And the second thing you need to do is go to your student list worksheet, then create gender, attendance 1, total ETT 1, attendance 2, total ETT 2, through to attendance 9, total ETT 9. So once you finish, this will be collected from the teachers. So the total attendance for the student, you just copy it and you paste it here for term 1. Then you come and merge and center this TATT1, TATT2 for all the various columns. You merge and you center them, then you put in the total attendance for that particular term over here. So looking at the first one, I've put 50. I look at the second one, it is 60. The third one is 70. This is 80. This is 90. That is 100. That is 110 for term 7. That is 120 for term 8. And this is 130 for term 9. So these are just values I just put in just to make the work easier. Then let's see how best we can link these two and merge them. So I'll come to TR1, then maybe I'll just put something there for the first student, which is Obin FIFA Mobi. So class teacher's remark is you need to, let's say, do not rest on your OS. Then her teacher's remark will be like excellent performance, keep it up, something like that. So I'll make it do not rest on your OS. You need to really sit up. Then her teacher can come in. You can do better. So I'll just do it for these two. But we're not going to type this all the way through for each student. We use VLOOKUP to generate these automatically from their total scores. But I just want to demonstrate something. That is why I've typed this. So I'll save this particular workbook. After saving, I'll just close it and open Microsoft Word, link it to Terminal Report 1. Then we will see if, okay, let me go to total attendance. So I'll come to the student list. I'll enter it for the first two students, Obin and Obed. So attendance 1, Obin was, let's say, 26. Okay, let's say this is 49. And Obed came to school how many times? Let's say 36 times. That's it. So let me save it. And I'll close it. Then open my Word document and agree to link it to terminal report one's worksheet, which is this. Okay, so it should close in just some few minutes. Okay, let me close it and let me open Microsoft Word. Then I'll locate where my terminal, okay, it's already here. So I'll click on it. We are connecting it to the TR1. So I'll say yes to it. It opens, then it will just put in the value. So I'll teach you how to add those missing fields using the mail merge, but I've already done mine. So when you come in here, you come to term, then you say mailings, you click on it, then you go and pick what term, automatically it should be what inserted like that. It's as simple as that. So I have to delete one. So I'm just showing how it is done. So you do the same for gender, then you come to the attendance. This is 49 out of 50. So if you look at the remarks I entered, automatically it pops up. If I go to the next person, Obed's attendance would also come 36 out of 50. What is the attendance? You need to really set up. You can do better. So we'll later work on how to generate this automatically from the grand total. We should have added grand total score. Okay, grand total is already here because we don't have any values. That's why they're all 0, 0, 0, and you see F9, F9, F9. Okay, so we'll work on it. Then I'll enter some values for you to see how it works and change the sub 1 to its appropriate subject. So if sub 1 is for English, I just come in here and change it to English language. Okay, so stay tuned and we will continue in our next lesson.